The most profound takeaway was in the activation, the onboarding, the retention, the habituation. I mean, when you look at the journey, so as to speak, a lot of people miss out that there are real people behind buying, and they're not just mere numbers or data points. Everything is not about numbers purely. It's also about having the intuition, having the ability to kind of shred out the insights, to shred out bias psychology, to understand what should be the point when you reach out to someone, the where, what's, whens. So personalization and contextualization today is maybe they're buzzwords today in many ways, but they aren't being really. I mean, you do not see the real movement or the real or their interpretation or their adoption in the world today, even with the best of D2C startups. So with MoEngage, the idea where you come in and where you understand these moving pieces of gamification, where you understand when do you have to really reach out to someone. It's not a playbook. There needs to be a lot of thought put behind it. So I think with this program, it's allowed me to build that cognition, to build that understanding as to when and how and what is really important to really frame a good communication strategy.